This online vegetable order form template is specifically designed for farmers and farms who offer weekly supply of vegetables. You can keep changing the list of vegetables and their prices available in your store every week. You can also set the inventory based on how much of each product is available for ordering. As your customers keep placing their orders, this inventory will reduce automatically. Finally, it will help your customers choose from what is available at the moment of their ordering. With the built-in automatic calculations, your customers will know how much is the order total and the summary of their order before they can submit their orders to you. Let's get started. We are doing this in 3 steps. Step 1. Let's copy this template. Step 2. Let's see how you can customize this template according to your needs. And we'll set the inventory and the number of available quantities of a few vegetables. Step 3. Let's preview the final form and test by placing a sample order. And we'll see how you can share this form with your customers. Now on step 1, let's make a copy of this template. On Airtel's grocery website, click on Create Order Form. From the template gallery, choose this vegetable order form template here. This order form template has a sample set of vegetables all kept in a single page. This will help your customers go through all available products at once and choose what they want to order. To make a copy, click on Use this template button here on the bottom right of the page. Change the title to your farm name. For example, I changed it to Fresh Basketi Vegetable Store. Then choose your currency. I am changing it to Euros. For now, let's leave the language as English. Click on Confirm. Alright, it's copied now, and this is your own order form. This form is in edit mode already. Do you see the little gear icons all over? You can click on these gear icons to make changes to the form. Now let's move on to step 2. Let's customize this form to add or change some of the products here. To add a product, scroll down below all the available products and click on Add Product button here. On the sidebar, type the name of the product as the title. For example, I say red onions. You may be selling them packed by varying weights. So for this option sold by, click on weight and then click on next. Here for the option, do you weigh the product every time it is sold or is this packaged? Choose packaged. Now, red onions are added to the list. And here you can upload the image of the product and its price. Click on Variant Pricing to mention different prices for the packages. This new product has been successfully added to the listing. Add any number of products that you have for this week's sale. Now, I'll show you how you can change the existing products or delete some of them. For example, let's see how to change the name and price of purple cabbage. Also, I'll show you how you can set the inventory and mention the number of cabbages you have for sale this week. Click on the gear icon next to the name of the product. Change the name to red cabbage and change the price to say 2.5 euros. Now on the Advanced tab, click on Enable Inventory and set the number for the quantity you have in stock. To make it simple for testing the form later, I set the quantity as 2. Click on Save. Now the name and the price of the product has changed. Now that you know how to add or change items, you can also delete the items by clicking on the trash bin icon under each of the listings here. Okay, let's move on to step 3. Let's see how to preview and test this form before you share it with your customers. On the menu bar at the top of the page, click on Preview. In this page, you can preview how your order form will appear in the desktop, tablet and mobile as well. Here you can change the theme, color and appearance of the form. Now it's time to test it. On the bottom left of the page, click on this link to open this form on a new window. Here is the final form. This is how your customers will be seeing it. And now I'm going to fill this online vegetable form just like your customers will do. I choose to order a few vegetables, say carrots, some tomatoes, and a few red cabbage. Remember, we have set the inventory for the red cabbage as 2 numbers. So here I can see the maximum quantity that I can order is up to 2. I choose to order all that is available. Once I place the order, from the next customer onwards, they wouldn't see the red cabbage in their forms. This product will be hidden. This is how the inventory works. It gets reduced automatically. I click on next and now I'll go ahead and write my contact details and address for delivery. I can now see the order summary and the order total. This makes it easier for me to know what and for how much I've ordered. Now I click on place order. At your end, you can go back to your order form and click on the orders tab here to see the list of orders that you've received. Now you can share this online vegetable order form with your customers, restaurants and local shops. Click on share from the top menu. You can simply share the link of the form to your customers on phone, social media, or share it via WhatsApp, or even embed it in your website. Thanks for staying with me on making your order form. Start accepting vegetable orders online today. If you have any questions or need any help, send us email at support@neartel.com. We are happy to help. See you there.